This video is going to go through moving the lights around, adding a new light, and making sure it's added to the correct components. So first we move the left wing, red light. We move our view to be straight above, correct its position. Then move side on to adjust its vertical position. We then move all the other lights into their correct places. With the F117 having two tails, I duplicate the rear tail light and move that too. Now, I am going to check what the original tail light was linked to. You can see here it's actually linked to two power objects. Each light only needs to be linked to one power object unit. Therefore, we can move the new tail light to one of these. Finally, we look for the way the object power unit is linked to the switches. If we select the original tail light and run the maintainer, we can see that the power is linked to a strobe light component. As we click on it, we can see the tail light is linked to the strobe light controller. Now we add a new line into the component and drag our duplicated light into the list. That completes all our external light changes for now.